Hey YouTube, it's me, Caleb Shaw's Vacuums. Well, this is kind of an early morning video because I don't have school tomorrow, so figured why not? Why the hell not? As you all knew, I vacuumed yesterday with my Phantom Thunder in my bedroom. Well, moved some stuff around in here, but that's how clean the carpet came. And then there's the little thingy I pulled out of the closet. And there's my Power Force Helix, and then that little big industrial fan thing I found in the garbage. Then, in my closet here, we have my Phantom Thunder. Then, let's close the door. Oops, that door's off the track. Here's my Hoover steam vac. My Kirby Generation 4. And then you can't see it at all, but there is my newer dual V1 right here that I trash picked. So, now, close this door. Open this one. And let's show you what the Thunder picked up. Remember, this was a completely empty tank when I started. This is clean. The tank and the vacuum all cleaned like a little over a week ago. That was all cleaned and ready to go. So guys, just wanted to give you a quick little video to show you what I was up to today. Anyways, thanks.